Nagsugod na.
Oo, paro. Hello, Birdie.
My name is Kasa and I'll be your host for today's show.
So, karon guys, is basket na pod.
So, 1v1 na basketball boy.
1v1 basketball. Okay, ato tanawon be. Basket, langgam.
Go, blue! Go! Go, Azul! Go, Azul!
Nawa masugod yan.
Ready!
Trainers ready, set, go!
Tarugan na, Azul!
Let's go. Wow, let's go. Oh, ya talent niya kaya. Oh.
Dadalis ko ah.
Mamili 1K. Sao nga nun? Nice job. So, nila ilang mga langgam, tulong langgam. Very small. Dako kayo. Tirador na Royet.
Tirador mo yun.
Gani dako kayo. Inasal naman eh. Oh, nanatong dool guys. Indot kay mura jig duwaan.
Hi, Birdie.
Hello.
Hi, Birdie.
Hello.
Parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism.
Oh, hello.
That's because of
Isa ka talented ang carrot. Iyang kung ano ng shape, kung saan nga shape ibutang.
parrots are intelligent, but they can remember even the smallest detail.
Wow.
Such as durian,
Very smart carrot.
they also love sports. Alright, that's it, Bandit.
Oh, talented kayo.